That's the reason why I wanna hate. And one good reason why I love it. There ain't sinners in school. Now I know how is it going.